Welcome back to another explainer. Today, we're diving straight into something pretty much everyone has bumped into lately, that steep AI learning curve. I mean, we all know artificial intelligence is an absolute game changer. We see the headlines, we hear the hype, but how do you actually make it work for you, in your normal day-to-day life, without having to go back to school for a computer science degree? Well, today we are unpacking Jaspreet Singh's ultimate cheat sheet for mastering AI in your daily routine. It's based on his guide, ChatGPT Prompts for Beginners. And honestly, this is going to fundamentally change how you interact with AI.
So let's just address the elephant in the room right off the bat. You open up your favorite AI tool, you sit there staring at that blinking cursor in a blank prompt box, and suddenly, your mind goes totally blank. It just stares right back at you. It's kind of intimidating. We're going to start by fixing that exact feeling, that overwhelming frustration of knowing the AI is super powerful, but having absolutely no clue what to actually type to get a good result. Because if you just ask it something vague, it gives you a generic robotic answer, and you're left wondering what all the hype is about. It all comes down to exactly how you talk to it.
And the cure for that blank page anxiety comes down to a very specific number, 200. That is the massive library of practical, ready-to-use prompts Jaspreet Singh has put together to literally eliminate all the guesswork. So, instead of sitting there wondering what to type, you've got this arsenal of ready-to-go, copy-and-paste solutions designed to get you the best possible answers for pretty much any everyday situation you can throw at it.
Here is our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the blanked page problem. 2. Boosting professional power. 3. Accelerating personal growth. 4. Managing everyday life. And finally, number 5, any tool, anywhere.
All right, let's jump right into section 1, the blank page problem, and how to overcome that AI block.
Singh essentially breaks down everyday AI usage into 9 specific categories, which really group nicely into 3 big buckets: professional power, personal growth, and life management. It's basically a complete toolkit for your entire routine, proving that AI isn't just a party trick, it's a holistic partner for everything you do.
But the absolutely crucial takeaway here, you do not need any technical skills. Seriously, just copy, paste, and get results. You don't need to know a single line of code. It's completely plug and play. You just find the prompt that matches what you're trying to do, drop it in, and let the AI do the heavy lifting for you.
Moving right along to section 2, boosting professional power. Let's see how this elevates your workday.
So think about your typical workday. Whether you need to draft a really complex proposal, map out a business strategy, figure out the best way to ask for a promotion, or just, clear out your endless inbox, Singh has prompts optimized to instantly save you time. By focusing on productivity, career growth, business planning, and writing, you're generating top-tier answers without burning hours staring at your screen.
And the difference between a beginner's guess and a structured prompt is like night and day. Vague instructions give you robotic junk you end up rewriting anyway, but Singh's prompts, they provide structured context. They tell the AI exactly what role to play and what parameters to follow, giving you highly targeted, genuinely professional results on the very first try. It's a total game changer. Okay, on to section 3, accelerating personal growth. Let's talk about AI for self-improvement.
Because AI doesn't just clock out when you do, right? It becomes this incredible partner for self-improvement. With dedicated prompts for learning, mastering technology, and goal setting, it's honestly like having a personal tutor and life coach tucked into your laptop. You can map out your future, learn a new language, or break down some wild tech concept into plain, simple English.
And activating that personal coach is just a simple 1, 2, 3 process. Say you want to learn digital marketing. Step 1, you pick that goal. Step 2, you grab the matching Singh prompt. Step 3, you paste it in, boom. You instantly get a completely customized step-by-step roadmap. No more endless scrolling through search engines, just immediate, actionable structure.
Which brings us to section 4, managing everyday life. It's time to streamline those practical routines.
Look, life is way more than just the daily grind, right? You gotta stay healthy, you gotta manage your money, and you can effortlessly streamline all of that using specific prompts built for tracking personal finance and optimizing your health routines. Need a weekly meal plan for a super specific diet? Or a budgeting strategy for a fluctuating income? There are optimized real-world prompts ready to handle all that mundane stuff for you.
And that is really the core philosophy of this whole collection. It is built entirely for real-world, everyday use. It's not about theoretical tech jargon or coding abstract algorithms. This laser focus on everyday success is exactly what transforms a totally average person into a total AI power user. It just makes your normal life that much easier.
Finally, Section 5, any tool, anywhere. Broad compatibility.
The absolute beauty of this framework is that it works universally. Are you a ChatGPT fan? Claude? Gemini? Perplexity? Microsoft Copilot? It literally doesn't matter. Across the board, zero tech skills are needed. The copy and paste magic is designed to work effectively with the underlying AI models, regardless of which brand name is at the top of the web page.
So, there you have it. You've got 200 prompts, you have 9 major areas of your life: productivity, career growth, business planning, learning, personal finance, health, writing, tech, and goal setting, all ready to be optimized. The AI is literally just sitting there waiting for your instructions. So the only question left for you is, what part of your life are you going to upgrade first?